In today's video, we're going through the top 10 latest and most difficult UK driving theory test questions and answers. You'll see each question with its options on screen, and you'll have 10 seconds to think and choose the correct answer. After that, I'll reveal the answer and clearly explain why it's correct. Make sure you stay till the end and comment down your score. Let's get started. Question number 1. What does this sign mean? Option A, maximum speed 30 miles per hour. Option B, end of minimum speed. Option C, minimum speed 30 miles per hour. Option D, end of maximum speed. Correct option is B. The diagonal red line across the sign shows that the previous restriction has ended. In this case, it means the minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour no longer applies. Question number 2. You're approaching a busy junction. What should you do when, at the last moment, you realize you're in the wrong lane? Option A, continue in that lane. Option B, use arm signals to help you change lane. Option C, force your way into the lane you need. Option D, stop until the area has cleared. Correct option is A. If you find yourself in the wrong lane, don't make sudden or unsafe moves to correct it. Stay in your lane, follow the road safely, and find a suitable place later to change direction. Question number 3. You're turning right at a crossroads. An oncoming driver is also turning right. What's the advantage of turning behind the oncoming vehicle? Option A, you'll have a clearer view of any approaching traffic. Option B, you'll have more time to turn. Option C, you'll use less fuel because you can stay in a higher gear. Option D, you'll be able to turn without stopping. Correct option is A. Turning behind the oncoming vehicle allows you a better view of the road ahead. This improves safety, as you can clearly see any traffic approaching before completing your turn. Question number 4. A single carriageway road has this sign. What's the maximum permitted speed for a car towing a trailer? Option A, 60 miles per hour. Option B, 30 miles per hour. Option C, 40 miles per hour. Option D, 50 miles per hour. Correct option is D. When towing a trailer, lower speed limits apply compared to normal driving. This is to ensure better control and safety, especially when braking or handling the vehicle. Question number 5. What shape are traffic signs giving orders? Option A. Option B. Option C. Option D. Correct option is D. Traffic signs that give instructions are circular in shape. These signs must be followed, and many with red borders indicate restrictions or prohibitions. Question number 6. Which type of sign tells you what you must not do? Option A. Option B. Option C. Option D. Correct option is B. Signs with a red circle indicate prohibited actions. They clearly show what is not allowed, and you must obey them at all times while driving. Question number 7. What does this sign mean? Option A, maximum speed limit with traffic calming. Option B, minimum speed limit with traffic calming. Option C, 20 cars only, parking zone. Option D, only 20 cars allowed at any one time. Correct option is A. This sign indicates a speed limit in an area where traffic calming measures are in place. These features are used to slow vehicles down, especially in areas with higher pedestrian activity. Question number 8. Which sign means no stopping? Option A. Option B. Option C. Option D. Correct option is C. A no stopping sign means you must not stop your vehicle at any time in that area. These restrictions help keep traffic flowing and reduce congestion. Question number 9. What's the meaning of this traffic sign? Option A, bus lane ahead. Option B, end of two-way road. Option C, give priority to vehicles coming towards you. Option D, you have priority over vehicles coming towards you. Correct option is D. This sign shows that you have priority over oncoming vehicles. However, you should still proceed carefully and ensure that other drivers are giving way before continuing. Question number 10. Where would you see a contraflow bus lane? Option A, on a dual carriageway. Option B, on a one-way street. Option C, on an urban motorway. Option D, on a roundabout. Correct option is B. A contraflow bus lane operates in the opposite direction to the main flow of traffic. These are usually found on one-way streets to allow buses to travel more efficiently. That brings us to the end of today's driving theory test, latest and hardest questions and answers. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments how many marks you scored. If you want to fully master the driving theory test, make sure to visit my channel AZ Training UK. I've got a complete playlist covering everything you need to pass. And if you'd like me to upload full DVSA style mock tests or more hazard perception test series, drop a comment and let me know. I'll read your feedback and shape future content based on what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.